Hello guys, welcome to Gida's World Tech. My name is David. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the missing portaudio.h error when installing PyAudio. When trying to install PyAudio on a Linux system, especially when compiling it from source, you might face an error related to a missing portaudio.h file. This error occurs because PyAudio depends on the portaudio library, which provides cross-platform audio input and output functionality. If the development files for portaudio are not installed, the build process will fail. The error occurs because the system lacks the portaudio development headers and libraries. To fix this, you need to install the portaudio 19-dev package, which includes the necessary files. So let's do that. Sudo apt install portaudio 19-dev, like this. Yes. Boom. As you can see, we have successfully installed our portaudio 19-dev. Now let's try to install PyAudio again. Pip install PyAudio. And you can see successfully installed PyAudio.